I know. What did you guys do? What have you guys done?
Give the pass a slip. Step on a brick. Break your mama's back. When a problem comes along, you must whip it before the cream sets out too long. You must whip it.
What are you doing?
You must